Anti-veto fight to top agenda of Erdogan and Trump talks. Turkey will continue to take steps for extradition of US-based veto leaders, Turkish president says ahead of US visit. Israeli airstrikes kills Islamic Jihad commander in Gaza. Airstrike targets house in Gaza City, killing Baha Abu al-Atta, says Israeli army. Two Palestinians martyred in Israeli airstrike in Gaza. 18 people were injured in Israeli airstrike. Netanyahu used forces to stay in power. Arabian case. He has failed twice to secure electoral victory for his liquid party this year. Turkey and Russia hold fifth joint patrol in northern Syria. Joint patrol east of Euphrates River in northern Syria, area of Turkish anti-terror operation. Syrian torture survivors seek justice in Norway. Prosecutors are asked to open criminal investigation against senior officials of Assad's regime. European countries voice concern over Iranian nuclear move. Foreign ministers of France, Germany, UK, EU high representatives issue joint statement on Iran's move to enrich uranium. Alleged US drone strike kills 7 Afghan civilians. Separately, Afghan officials claim 93 families members of Daesh militants surrendered. Afghan government to release key Taliban figure Anas Haqqani to be released under deal with Taliban in exchange for US and Australian captives. Bangladesh head-on train collision kills at least 15. More than 50 others wounded, with some passengers reportedly still trapped under coaches. Kashmir marks 100th day of communication blockage. India imposed strict communication blockage on disputed region ahead of August 5 move to scrap its special status. India centered to rule western state of Maharashtra. Central rule amid uncertainty over government formation in India's economic hub following split between ruling partners.